Hi everybody, my name is Tim DeLuca. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for ERG Lighting on the East Coast. We're here in our headquarters in Endicott, New York to talk to you today about our E54W LED driver. This driver is 90% efficient and is perfect for Troffer type applications, whereas the mounting holes are compatible with your standard ballast. The driver has 1 to 4 outputs, each 25 to 38 volts at a constant current of 350 milliamps. The 0 to 10 volt dimming on board is dimmable down to 20% of flicker-free dimming. This, as well as all of our products for ERG lighting, comes back by a 5-year warranty. Next, we'd like to talk to you about the connection configurations. So now we'd like to show you the different connection configurations of the E54 driver. These drivers will work with LED light engines or T8 LED replacement tubes. I'm here with our senior design engineer, Joe Flederman, and he's going to walk us through these configurations. Joe?
Thanks, Tim. I've got 3 different load setups here. I've got 4 tubes that are 31 volt and 350 milliamp rated LED strings. I've got 2 tubes that are 37 volt, 350 milliamp rated current, and I've got 2 tubes that are 37 volt and 700 milliamp tubes, and I wanted to show how versatile the outputs of the 54 watt driver are. So I'm going to light up the 4 strings right now, and you can see that the dimming is still working on all 4 tubes as I dim down. And at this point I'd like to switch over and show that even if you only have 2 loads attached, and you have 2 of the outputs open, that this driver is still going to light them up with no problem. All 4 of these outputs are actually independent, so you can unplug and replug in lights kind of at will. And I'm going to take one wire out here, and I'll show one of the lights going out and the other one still being illuminated, and the dimming still working. And I can take that same light, plug it back in, and it works just fine.
So Joe, what happens if an electrician forgets to turn off the power and connects the driver? Is that going to damage the driver?
No, it won't. I'll actually demonstrate that right now. If I can take out all 4 of these, and the connection's open, and this is actually a live connection right now. You've got voltage on the output. The driver is sensing that there's nothing connected, so it isn't trying to push any current out. And if I connect these 2, then you can see that even without taking power away, the driver will not be damaged, and you can still operate the dimming just fine.
So it's worth mentioning that these drivers are UL recognized for US and Canada, and they work with either LED light engines or T8 LED replacement tubes. The different type of applications would be a 2x2 Troffer, 2x4 Troffer, and they also work with the T8 tubes, 2 tubes, 3 tubes, or 4 tubes.
The other thing I wanted to demonstrate in the 10 or so seconds that Tim was talking was I reconfigured the output of the 54 watt driver now to drive 2 700 milliamp loads. And all I've done here is take 2 of the 4 output wires and parallel them with the other 2 wires. And you can see they power up just fine again, and dimming works fine. And that's the very nice thing about this driver is the number of configurations that you can use. You can even parallel all 4 of these outputs and run one 1.4 amp LED string if that's what you'd like to do.
This one driver you can use for multiple applications.
And just showing the independent channels again. I can take one out and it'll still run the other one, and I can put it back in as well, and you'll still be able to dim up and down with no problem.
Thanks, Joe. Thank you again for taking the time to learn more about our products. ERG Lighting is a division of Endicott Research Group. Endicott Research Group has been designing and manufacturing power supplies for the lighting industry for over 30 years now. In addition to our standard product offering, we also offer custom designs. We have on-site engineering support and excellent customer service. We stock most of our LED drivers to help improve lead times, and we do not require any minimum purchase. Once again, our drivers are designed and manufactured in the USA, And you can learn more at www.erglighting.com. Thank you.